Okay, can we move to the next? Is it clear? Question number 1. Now moving to question 2. Just same pattern we have to do. See, ये वाला जो step था ना, every time you know that 15,000 ये क्या है? Difference है, difference between the down payment and cash price. Okay, तो जस्ट ऑब्जर्व इंटरेस्ट पेड कितना आता है, टोटल जो मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट का टोटल माइनस द बैलेंस. तो ये वाला स्टेप वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो. ओके, 4x माइनस 15,000 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 4x माइनस 15,000. इवन इफ यू डोंट राइट दिस, दिस इज फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि कैसे आया दिस स्टेप. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में विल राइट इट डायरेक्टली ओनली. This is once again 22. This is 22. 22 2 by 9%. Okay. So microwave oven is available for 9,600 cash. Okay. So cash price of microwave oven कितना हो गया? Just follow the same steps. Cash price of microwave oven is equal to rupees 9,600. Okay. Down payment, cash down payment equal to 4,000 rupees, 4,000. Okay. So amount to be paid कितना हो गया? Difference amount to be paid in 3 installment कितने हुए? Is equal to 9,600 minus 4,000. Okay, difference निकालना है हमको. So how much is this? Okay. So what is interest? Interest I told you directly. Let the interest be P. पहले लिखेंगे. Let the installment be X. The mat लिखो because we are finding out each installment. Let each installment be X. X. Okay. So interest कितना हो गया? Interest charged will be equal to how much? How much will be the interest? How many installment? 3 equal. So 3x minus 5,600, right? How do we get this? We'll get it by, how do we get it? 3x plus 4,000 minus 9600. If we do that, we'll get this. Okay. Because total amount what we are paying under installment plan is 4,000 plus 3x, right? 3 installments hai. So 4,000 plus 3x minus 9,600, you will get 3x minus 5,600. Okay, so I'm writing it directly. Understood this step? ये वाला जो step था ना, I'm not writing this, I'm just writing this one. 4x minus 15,000. So here we have 3 installment. So 3x minus 5,600. तो इंटरेस्ट निकल गया. प्रिंसिपल कैसे निकालते हैं? प्रिंसिपल के लिए बायर ओज टू द सेलर फॉर फर्स्ट मंथ for the first month will be how much? 5,600 rupees. Okay. For second month, 5,600 minus x. For third month, 5,600 minus 2x. Okay. So 3 installment हो गया. So therefore total principal for 1 month What we'll do? Tell me. How do we calculate total principal for 1 month?
We add all these values.
Yes, add all these values. So 5600, 5600, and 5600 three times. How much we get? 6, 12, 18. Carry 1. So 16800 minus 3x. Okay. This much is the total principal ho gaya. Total interest ho gaya. Rate is how much? Rate is 200 by 9%. Okay. Time is 1/12 year. So putting the values in SI is equal to NPRT by 100. In this formula, we'll put the value. So simple interest is how much? 3x minus 5600 is equal to principal is 16800 minus 3x. Okay. R is 200 by 9 into T is 1/12 by 100. So 1/100 multiply 1/100 divided by 100 है ना, तो 1/100. So 0 से 0 चला गया. 2 6 are 12 and let us take out common also to solve it. 3 कॉमन इधर से भी निकाल लेते हैं, इधर से भी 3 निकल जाएगा. 15. Yes, 3 can be taken out on both the side. Let us take out 3 common. X minus 3 ones are 3. नहीं, इसमें से नहीं निकलेगा ना.
Yes, ma'am. 5600.
3 will not come out ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, 3 will not come out. 56 में से नहीं आएगा. 5 5 10 plus 1 11 होगा. So let us leave over here. Okay, यहाँ से 3 will come out. So let us take out 3 common over here. 0 minus x upon 9 into 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. ये हो गया पूरा. And here it is 3x minus 5600. 9 2s are 18 हो गया. Next step में 3x minus 5600 is equal to 5600 minus x divided by 9 2s are 18. 18 को will take it here. So 18 into 3. 54x minus 5600 into 18 is equal to 5600 minus x. Okay, minus x comes over here. So 4x plus x is equal to 5600 plus 5600 into 18. I'll take out 5600 common over here. तो multiply नहीं करना पड़ेगा. 1 plus 18. So 5600 into 19 और यहाँ पे आ गया 55x. So x is equal to 5600 into 19 divided by 55. Okay. So 5 से कर लेते हैं. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and 0. अभी जाएगा किसी से? नहीं जाएगा. So answer आएगा. It will be in decimal. Okay, so let us find out in decimal only. 11 1s are 11. 2 नीचे आया 0. तो 20 हो गया. 11 1s are 11 once again. I'm dividing 1 1 2 0 को 11 से. ठीक है. 11 1s are 11. 2 आ गया तो नहीं जाएगा तो will bring 0. फिर से 11 1s are 11. 9 आ गया. So decimal 0. 11 8s are 88. 20. So once again you will get 11 1s are 11. Then 8 1 again 8 8 1 8 1 हो जाएगा. So it is 81, 101.81, 101.81 into 19. Okay, let us multiply this. 101.81 into 19. One, two. So answer is 1934.39. Okay. So each installment is rupees 1934.39. Okay. Is it clear? This is rough. So I'm showing you calculation any way you can do. I'm just doing, see what I did. I took out common so that ये multiply करने का time थोड़ा रह जाए बच जाएगा. So but see, our aim is to reduce the amount of calculation. End में तो करना ही है. So end में we'll do because we need one answer. So let us continue till the end and there we'll calculate. So वो किया है. Is it clear, this question? Can I move to next one now?
Yes.
This question is clear? Okay. So question number now, question number 4. 4 nahi, 3 na? Question number 3. Question number 3. Question. So here rate is how much? Question 3, 18%. Okay. So rate is 18%. Compute the amount of installment. So we are calculating installment in all the question. This is question number 3. An article is sold for 5,000 rupees cash or for 1,500 down payment. Okay. So what is the cash price? Cash price is rupees 5,000. And what is cash down payment? Down payment is rupees 1,500. Okay, done. 5 equal monthly installment. So how much is okay? Let us say that let each installment be X. Let each installment be X. Okay. So what is total interest? What is interest paid under? Tell me. Now 2 questions we have done. Tell me, what is the interest paid under installment plan? How many installments are given? 5. So what will be there?
5x.
No, ulta hua. 5x minus 10,000. Okay. Because kya hai? Total amount, how much we are paying? 1,500 plus 5x, right? ये जो हमने calculate किया है, 1,500 plus 5x we are going to pay under installment plan, but actual price तो 5,000 है. So minus 5,000 will do. So if we do this, how much we are getting? 5x minus, अरे 10,000 नहीं है, sorry, 1,500 है ना ये. Subtract it. It is not 10,000. Subtract करके कितना मिलेगा? 5,000 minus 1,500. 3,500. Okay. ये hint दिया मैंने. How we calculated it? I have given it a hint over here. So interest is 5x minus 3,500 by, because under installment plan we are paying 1,500 plus 5x. Okay. But amount is मार्क प्राइस तो 5000 है, तो हाउ मच वी हैव पेड इंटरेस्ट, एक्स्ट्रा जो भी मनी है दैट इज इंटरेस्ट. सो ये हमने पे किया और ये इतना था, सो सब्ट्रैक्टेड दैट मच इज द इंटरेस्ट. So this is our interest, 5x minus 3500. Okay. Okay. So principal, now principal owed means the seller, the buyer owes to the seller, or I'll write principal owed for first month. How much, tell me? This much. For second month, minus x. For third month, fourth month, minus 3x, and fifth month, so total principal for 1 month. Add all. 3500 into 5 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus 10x rupees, which is equal to okay, rate is 18% and time is 1/12 year. Putting the value on SI into PRT, I'm calculating it in the next page. SI is equal to PRT by 100. So SI is 5x minus 3500 is equal to P is 17500 minus 10x into 18 into 1/12 into 100. Okay, PRT by 100. So 3 6 are 3 4 are correct है ना, 2 3 are and 2 2 are 4. So ये 2 will take it there. So 5x 5 2s are 10x. 10x minus 35 2s are 70,000 is equal to 3 17500 into 3, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 से multiply करेंगे ना ऊपर, because ऊपर it is multiplied by 3. So 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1, 7 3s are 21, 22, carry 2, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 5, 0 0 minus 30. Okay, 100 we didn't see ना, 100 भी तो था, divided by 100, एक 0 से एक 0 cancel. अच्छा, you will get confused, let me ठीक से I'll write. यहाँ पे क्या किया, ये है divided by, see 2 I multiplied over here, 100 I left. तो what I'll do here, 10 common निकाल के 5250 minus 3x divided by 100. तो एक 0 से एक 0 कट गया. This 10 further goes over here. 100x minus 70,000. Okay. Just a moment. Don't multiply in this step. ये वाला step में तो मैंने 10 यहाँ लिखा हुआ है ना, so I cannot do that. Next step में 100x minus एक 0 और हो गया, यहाँ पे हो गया 5250 माइनस, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड ना, 10 जाके यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो गया तो यहाँ से गायब हो गया 10 अभी. सो यहाँ पे 100x माइनस 70,000 हो गया. नाउ इट इज 100x प्लस 3x इज इक्वल टू 5250 प्लस 70,000. आंसर कितना हुआ, 5250 75250. Okay, this is 103x. X is equal to 75250 upon 103. तो ये किससे कैंसिल होगा? Just calculate how much we are getting. Decimal में ही आएगा. So let us divide only. Let us divide over here. 75250 divided by 103. किससे जाएगा? 7 से जाएगा. 721. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. What will come down? 5. अभी किससे जाएगा? 3 से जाएगा. 3 3s are 9, 0 and 3 1s are 3 0 9. 6 आ गया. What will come down now? 60. So 30 हो गया. 0.0. अभी 6 से जाएगा. So 730.6 we can say. So approximately answer is 730.6. Okay. So each installment is equal to rupees 730.6. Is it clear? One question I have left. Question number 4. Do it as homework. Next exercise we'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow again 10 a.m. we have maths class. No science class today at 1 p.m. Is it clear? All questions? So 3 questions we have done. Just follow the same pattern in doing all the questions you will be able to do. Okay. So that's all for today's class. See you tomorrow in maths class once again. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye bye.